crispy special potato bites. Chop and boil your potatoes. Mash them up. Add some flour, mixed herbs, paprika and salt or your own seasoning and combine well. Roll into balls, and from here they're ready to air fry with a little oil, but I'm feeling extra. So I'm going to egg wash, then coat in breadcrumbs, flour, seasoning and some parmesan. I recommend coating in cooking spray, then air frying at 200 degrees for 15 minutes or until crispy. Finally, I lathered it in garlic butter. Nom nom!